Hi everyone, it's Marisa from BumblebeeApothecary.com, and today I'm going to bring you along in another What We Eat in a Day video. So today my husband is making breakfast. He's home today and we're just doing another kind of typical breakfast. This is the breakfast that he makes when he does it. So we have some sausage links ready to go in the oven when it is up to temperature, and then we're going to scramble up a bunch of eggs. So we have our skillet there heated up with some lard melting in it, and we're just going to mix up those eggs with some salt, make sure the pan is ready, and pour those in, and when the bottom is cooked, start scrambling them. And today we're also having some sourdough bread. I stick that in the oven along with the sausages for just a little bit to get that kind of warmed and toasted. And a nice big thick serving of butter on there. And then our fermented food along with breakfast, as we oftentimes do, is going to be a glass of milk kefir. And then for lunch today we're having leftovers, which is something that we oftentimes do. Makes things easy and we enjoy it. So we have some leftover roast with some carrots and potatoes. So we're pulling those out. I just pull the lids off of these glass containers and then put them into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and warm them up. When they're nice and heated through, then we pull them out and serve them. And I like to add some butter to the potatoes. We also have some sauerkraut to go alongside for our fermented food. And then, a nice big helping of butter on top of those potatoes. So that's our lunch for today. For dinner today, I am making a basic lamb stew. If you've seen some of my other recent videos, I've done a Moroccan lamb stew. This one's more of just a basic, simple lamb stew. So I have some neck bones in there that really contributes a lot of gelatin and nutrients to the stew. And then I'm also adding some lamb stew meat. And I have some onion and some garlic that I'm just peeling and chopping up and adding. I'm also going to peel and chop up some carrots and add those. And then for spices, I'm adding some rosemary and some thyme. Just sprinkling that in. I'm also adding some mineral salt, Baja Gold sea salt, and some pepper, and then just adding filtered water to fill in as much as I can. It's a stew, so some of the vegetables are still peeking out at the top. And then it's ready to go into the oven. So I'm doing a nice long 5 to 6 hour cook time at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And then later in the day at dinner time, it is time to go ahead and serve this up. So you can see that it got to simmer in there all day. Smells really good and everything's nice and soft and cooked and ready to serve. So we're gonna go ahead and serve that in bowls with the meat stock right in there, trying to get some of that stew meat that I cooked in there, some of the carrots, and of course that lovely meat stock as well. Our fermented food to go along with this is sauerkraut, and once it's cooled a bit, then you can add it straight to the bowl. One of the things I love about stews is that you can get so much variety. You can keep it really simple and basic, or you can play around with different seasonings and combinations of vegetables, really change it around. I like doing different ethnic themes sometimes. Sometimes I'll just keep it very, very simple, but it's fun to play around with it and just think of it more as like a template sort of an idea, and then switch out vegetables and spices and different things like that to create endless variety. So this is the one that I did today, and we really enjoyed it. It turned out great. So I hope that you enjoyed coming along and seeing what we're eating in a day today. Make sure to check out that description box for links to different things that I've made for you guys. I have meal plans, I have ebooks, I have some free ebooks that I've made, so be sure and check those out. I also have links down there to places where I like to buy different ingredients and resources and things that I've found helpful that hopefully you will too. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else that you think would find it interesting or helpful. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.